Hi YouTube, this is how to repair an MTD yard machine, Briggs and Stratton. This is 5.25 horsepower. I had this one with the primer bulb was leaking gas, so I dismantled this thing, and actually it's not the primer bulb, but it is that gasket inside. As you can see, this gasket here, you see that little hole here? There's a little hole right here. This little hole here is the culprit. If you remove the gasket like this, you will see this gasket. I'll put it on the side for now, and as you can see, when you prime the gas here with the primer bulb, it pushes air through here, but what happens is gas coming from the tank was going through this tube here, through the carburetor, as you can see, and this is the gasket that's leaking, and that permits gas to go into that little hole slot here and going back through this tube here and into the primer bulb, and leaks around in that little hole here. So if this thing leaks, a lot of the time it's not the primer bulb itself, but it is this gasket here, as I show you. Okay, this is super easy to remove. As you can see, you have to remove this first. All you have to do is loosen this screw, and then just remove this cover. It's gonna pop off, and as you can see, the filter, the air filter, just popped off. Okay, so you can clean this at the same time. Take it off, put it on the side, and this here, so all you have to remove is one hex screw here, another hex bolt here, and another one here, and you just pull this thing right off. See, this thing was going into the tube which brings gas to the engine. Okay, and here you can access this gasket that you can remove. And all it is that little hole that you can see near my thumb here. That little hole is allowing gas to leak through into that little slot here, right here, and goes into that tube, and it drips around that primer bulb. Okay, so that's it. So you just have to change this gasket, and hopefully everything is gonna be working fine. So all what you have to do is just to put everything back, you know, the reverse way, and there you go. Thank you for watching.